What if a single injection could protect you from HIV for 6 months? No daily pills, no missed doses, just twice yearly protection. That is not a future promise. That is exactly what the FDA just approved, and if you or someone you love is at risk for HIV, this changes everything. In June 2024, the FDA approved Lenacapavir, sold under the brand name Sunlenca, for a new and groundbreaking use. Originally approved to treat HIV in adults with drug-resistant infections, Lenacapavir just received approval as a pre-exposure prophylaxis, meaning PrEP, for HIV prevention. This makes it the first and only twice-yearly injectable PrEP option ever approved anywhere in the world. And the clinical trial data behind this approval is frankly stunning. The approval was driven by results from 2 landmark Phase 3 trials called Purpose 1 and Purpose 2. In Purpose 1, which enrolled over 5,000 cisgender women in sub-Saharan Africa, Lenacapavir showed 100% efficacy. Not 90-something%. 100%. 0 participants who received the injectable PrEP acquired HIV during the study period. Purpose 2 enrolled a broader global population including men who have sex with men, transgender women, transgender men, and gender non-binary individuals. In that trial, Lenacapavir reduced HIV infections by 89% compared to background infection rates in those communities. These numbers are not just statistically significant. They are genuinely historic. Here's why this matters so much beyond the numbers. The biggest challenge with existing oral PrEP medications like Truvada or Descovy has always been adherence. Daily pill regimens require consistency, and for millions of people around the world, that consistency is disrupted by stigma, unstable living situations, lack of pharmacy access, or simply the difficulty of remembering a daily medication. A twice-yearly injection removes nearly all of those barriers. You see your provider, you receive the injection, and you are protected for 6 months. Lenacapavir works by blocking a protein in the HIV virus called the capsid. This mechanism is completely different from older antiretroviral drugs, which means it is effective even against strains of the virus that have developed resistance to other medications. The injection is administered subcutaneously, meaning just under the skin, and delivers sustained drug levels that remain protective for the full 26 weeks between doses. Now you might be asking about cost and access, which is a completely fair and urgent question. The manufacturer, Gilead Sciences, has faced significant pressure from advocates and global health organizations about pricing. The drug currently carries a high list price in the United States, but Gilead has announced voluntary licensing agreements with generic manufacturers to supply Lenacapavir to over 100 low- and middle-income countries at dramatically reduced cost. In the United States, Gilead has committed to ensuring access through patient assistance programs for uninsured and underinsured individuals. If you are interested in accessing this medication, your best starting point is speaking with your primary care provider, an infectious disease specialist, or visiting a sexual health clinic that specializes in HIV prevention. It is also worth understanding where clinical trials go from here. Researchers are actively studying Lenacapavir in additional populations, including adolescents, and looking at whether even longer dosing intervals might be possible in the future. There are also ongoing studies examining the combination of Lenacapavir with other long-acting agents to create fully injectable treatment regimens for people already living with HIV. The HIV prevention landscape has genuinely shifted. For decades, advocates have said we have the tools to end the HIV epidemic, and the barrier has never been science, it has been access, stigma, and adherence. Twice-yearly injectable PrEP does not solve all of those problems, but it removes one of the most significant ones. If you are at risk for HIV, if you have struggled with daily oral PrEP, or if you know someone who has given up on prevention because a daily pill felt impossible, this approval is worth knowing about and worth talking to a healthcare provider about as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. It genuinely means a lot that you are here and staying informed about breakthroughs that can affect real lives. I want to ask you something directly. If you or someone you care about has struggled with daily oral PrEP, would a twice-yearly injection change things for you? Drop your honest thoughts in the comments below, because those conversations matter and other people in this community need to hear them. If you want to stay on top of clinical trial breakthroughs and medtech news like this every week, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Next up, we are diving into another major FDA decision that has the chronic disease community talking, and you are not going to want to miss it.